Do you find drawing portraits incredibly difficult and stressful? You are not alone. In this video I'll show you a simple method that shifts your brain within seconds, so drawing faces become playful and not paralyzing. And we are not going to start with realistic drawing, we are going to start with something much easier and simpler, shapes. Because the pressure to be perfect is exactly what stops our creativity before it even begins. All you need is a sticky notepad, scissors and a few very basic forms that you cut out yourself. A circle, a rectangle, a triangle, squares in different sizes and different colors. That's enough. Now start playing around with them. Circles becomes eyes, rectangles becomes eyebrows, a mouth or a nose. Layer the shapes, put them side by side, just play. You will see how easy and intuitive the whole process is. Your brain recognizes a face instantly, and the best part, it doesn't even think about whether it's wrong or if the proportions are off. You just see a face and its expression, without that critical inner voice stopping you. But why does it work? Our human brain is a pattern recognition machine. It recognizes these simple shapes as a face immediately. And here's the trick. Because they are just symbols, your brain doesn't judge them. When you try to draw realistically, your subconscious is on high alert. Evolutionarily, we are wired to detect the slightest deviation in a face as a potential threat. It's a survival strategy to spot unpredictability in others. That's why you feel that stress and pressure when a drawing doesn't look perfect. It's not your lack of talent, it's your biology. By using these playful shapes, you are bypassing your brain's survival instinct. You are telling your brain, this isn't a face, it's just a symbol. This allows you to relax and focus on expression rather than reproduction. Artistically, a portrait isn't meant to be a perfect copy. It's an expression of an inner state. Think of the portraits of Jawlensky. Reread them as faces immediately without questioning the proportions. We feel them. So here's my offer. Play with these forms and enjoy it. The next step is to transfer the lightness into your drawings or paintings. Once you experience this freedom, you can bring the same energy to everything you create. And if you feel blocked at the start, I have a free drawing guide in the description to help you to move forward. And visit me on Patreon, where I share daily prompts to keep you in the creative flow. So let's start playing. And if you need more inspiration, just check out this video.